Hey beauties, so back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I get this beautiful curly hair. And no, it ain't on me, and no, it's not a lace front wig. So if you guys want to know the tea, then keep on watching. So all my weave lovers out there, if you guys guessed that this was a U-part V-part wig, you guessed correct. So you guys, I just wanted to quickly mention you can do this with any type of hair, straight hair, curly hair, and it is bomb, you guys. If you guys want to fake a sew-in, this is the way to do it. If you don't know how to braid or don't know how to sew, I got you, boo. So first you're going to go ahead and need a dome cap, and I'm using my 30-second glue. I'm also going to be taking my Ali Julia Malaysian curly hair in 26 inches. Look at how gorgeous is this hair, you guys. It just flows really nice, and the curl pattern is actually super natural. This is fresh out of the pack. This is how the curl pattern looks, but once I make my wig, I do like to wash the hair to loosen up the curls a bit. One thing that I noticed about these bundles that I've never seen before on Ali Julia hair is that the ends were a little bit lighter, like they ombre to like a lighter brown at the ends. I don't know if I was bugging, but the ends definitely looked it lighter on this Malaysian curly hair. So anyway, now you just want to go ahead and mark off your dome cap where you want your V part to be, or your U part. So I'm going to put it right in the middle. If you want to make a side one, then do a side one. And I like to keep my opening tiny, because when we actually cut it out, it's going to stretch open. So do not mark your V to be super big. The markings on the side are just my markings above my ear, because I have a super tiny head, so I need to mark out everything, you guys. But if you have an average head, then you can just skip out that part and just mark out the middle. So anyway, I'm going to be taking that first track and I'm going to hold it with some push pins. What are these? Thumbtacks? Yeah, thumbtacks. So I'm going to just use that to hold the first track. And the first track I'm going to glue all the way around the perimeter of the head. And then I'm just going to dry it, because this glue is just bomb. Just take your blow dryer on low heat and it will dry super fast, you guys. I like to go a little bit at a time. Do not glue the whole entire track. Take your time. And as you guys can see, like, it doesn't even look like I left the opening. Like, the opening for the U part is so small. Another thing, as you guys can see, if you move the hair back, this track is not going to be exposed. So this is why I like to go all around the head first before just laying the tracks from ear to ear, side to side. So yeah, so first I like to place 2 tracks all around the head first, and then start laying them, you know, smaller tracks in the back, and just working my way all the way up. So one of my guilty pleasures, you guys, oh my gosh, a lot of people would be embarrassed, but I'm not, you guys. I am a super huge fan of ramen noodles. It is my guilty late snack. I eat it almost every night. If you guys are a fan of my channel, do you guys remember the parent tag where I was like, what is my favorite food? My dad was like, soup. That was years ago. So I've been loving soup since day one, you guys. My favorite is the chicken flavor, and I'm always freaking eating ramen noodles. But anyway, I just went ahead and fast forward and showed you guys me placing all of the tracks, because that shit is super boring, and I'm pretty sure we all know how to lay down some damn tracks by now. Just glue them on the damn dome head and just leave a gap in the middle for leave out. So as you guys can see, this is what it should be looking like. If you have an average head, you can start your tracks at the front of the dome cap, but I leave a little space because I'm going to cut that part out, because like I said, I have a small head. So anyway, you should have a very small part. So this is what your U-part wig should be looking like. I'm going to show you in a minute how to cut it open and actually place it on. But yeah, this is the curl pattern, as you guys can see. Towards the ends, it does get a little bit of stranglies with this curly hair, so I do just snip them. The ends of these Malaysian bundles do get a little bit thin, so make sure you get longer bundles if you guys want to keep the length. So yeah, all you want to do now is just peel your wig off of the head, and now we're just going to make an opening so that way we can put our natural hair on top, and this can blend seamlessly, and no one's gonna even be able to tell that you have anything on. They're gonna be like, is that your real hair? Do you have on clip-ins? Is that a sew-in? And you're gonna be like, no girl, it's a U-part wig. Okay, so I was struggling to actually cut it on camera, so yeah, this is what it looks like when you completely cut it out. So as you guys can see, it's nice and open. So at this part, you can sew it onto your head if you guys want to braid your hair down and just sew it on, so you can actually wear it for a few weeks. Or if you want to take it off like myself, you can actually just sew on some clips. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be sewing on some clips right onto that opening of the U-part wig. So I get my wig clips from the beauty supply store. These are the large ones. I get a pack of 12 pieces for like $5, super cheap. So I'm just going to sew on the clips right onto that V part, so that way it can actually be attached to your head and it's not gonna move anywhere. So next day, as you guys can see, I did sew on the clips. I sewed on a total of 3, 2 on the sides and 1 right at the center of the V. And then I also did sew on a clip at the nape of the neck, so that way it can also be nice and snug at the bottom and it's not gonna like flap forward. So yeah. And you guys, I don't know what was going on with my tripod, but my freaking ring light just happened to fall. I was just like, what the fuck? My shit is all fucked up. But anyway, now as you guys can see, I did leave a little bit of my leave out at the top. So if you guys want, you can just put a little bit of your hair right over the U-part wig, so that way it can blend. If you guys want me to actually do a video of how I put it on my head and actually blend my leave out with the curly extensions, then leave me down a pink heart in the comments, and then I know that you want to see that video. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished tutorial on how to make a U-part or V-part. And yeah, as you guys can see, my hair is blending beautiful. You can do it in kind of like a throw over if you guys don't want to rock the middle part, or if you guys want to even do it in like a half up, half down. This is without me even adjusting it. This is me putting it right in the center, like a middle part. But I'm just showing you how versatile that it can be. Even with it being in the middle part, you can still do the half up, half down. So a V-part wig or U-part wig is so universal, you guys. Like, you can get a lot of use out of it, and it's super easy to throw on your head. Literally all you have to do is just clip it on your damn hair and leave 2 inches of leave out, and no one will ever know. So anyway, you guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely leave me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button before you go. Comment down below also what you guys want to see next on my channel, and until next time, you guys, bye.